time has gone back an hour, which means the days are getting darker, the nights are getting colder, and you're gonna hear the faint sound of Mariah Carey coming out of her cave singing All I Want for Christmas Is You. So what do you wanna do? You wanna spend your time inside as opposed to outside, all right? So for us, the best motive to do is find some nice jazz bars. So in London, it is actually filled with some of the best jazz bars, and we're gonna show you some of the collections or some of the places that we go to is our favorite. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and smash the notification bell. And without any further ado, let's go check it out. Alright guys, for an up-close and personal experience from Jazz Toulouse Lautrec. I know Shaka's gonna butcher me for this, for the French pronunciation, but this is the place to be. It's a French restaurant. Nearest stop is Kennington Station, and it's comprised of 3 floors. A restaurant, a piano bar, and what we're here for is a jazz bar. So let's go inside and find out more.
Okay people, next up on the best jazz bars here in London, we are here at NightJar. Now, if you do walk past it, you are going to miss it because there's not really a sign to say that you're at NightJar. It's kind of one of them places where the security's outside, you'd be like, let me get some ID. You got to book a reservation, and then as soon as you go through, you go down these secret stairs to make you look as if you're going into some secret dodgy night bar, but it's not really the case, I promise. So as soon as you sort of come in, you're kind of transported into this whole 1920s type of decor look. Like the lights are really low, so it kind of sets the tone for the rest of the evening, and the music is just really good, and it's just vibes, honestly. There's another branch in Carnaby Street, which is not far from Oxford Street Station, and the one here is at Old Street Station. So let's go check it out.
Alright guys, so if you want a Friday night vibe for jazz, Camden is the place to come through. Jazz Cafe, the iconic jazz venue for all your jazz performances, from the traditional jazz to the slightly hip-hop and funky. We're here to go check out Byron the Aquarius. Let's not waste any more time, let's go inside and find out more.
Not a far distance from Imperial Wharf Station is the 606 Club. Now, it doesn't look like much on the outside, but on the inside, it's something completely different. You walk inside, it looks a bit shady, like they've got this whole gated door, and it's like you got to buzz in the security, but as soon as you come in, you're greeted with this nice, intimate sort of environment, and all I can say is the musicians really set the tone for the rest of the evening. Now, we didn't book it. Instead, we kind of got lucky and we just sort of walked in and we just paid at the door. But just in case, you know, they don't have seats available, it is advised to just obviously book online and stuff. So details will be in the description. But enough about all of that. Let's go and check it out.
Jazz!
Arguably, we've left the best till last. Each and every time we come here, this is a nice motive to come to on a Friday night or Saturday night. Now, this is Ronnie Scotts, the best of the best, the creme de la creme in my opinion, all right? So this we found out about a few years back and we've been coming here ever since. Usually it'll be the case where you can just come in as walk-in. It's about a 45-minute wait on a Friday night, but nevertheless you can get in within that time. It's about £12 as a walk-in, but during this time, this is the London Jazz Festival happening in the month of November, so you have to book your tickets in advance. Tickets cost around £20 for a restricted view and then £25 for a slightly better view as such. So let's go inside and find out more.
With that, we have to end the video there. Hopefully all of you guys enjoyed. If you want us to do a part 2, we would happily do that for you. Anyways, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, smash the notification bell, comment down below, let us know what else you want to see and we will make it happen. 3ManAbroad out, and peace.
You want it, yeah? You want it, yeah?